Hi everybody, welcome back to Tam Predicts, and I'm back with another reading. I was doing the alphabet reading, alphabet wise reading. So I've done part one, which was group one. I had grouped them into two groups and the alphabets, all the alphabets, and I've already done one group. Today I'm doing the second group and the alphabets that were left yesterday. So I've taken up those ones, and there I'm just going to tell you the alphabets, and I'm also going to upload them on the thumbnail. So I'm going to do B, E, F, G, H, I, N, O, Q, S, U, W, and Z, or Z, however you want to pronounce it. So these are the alphabets for today. Let me see what are the predictions. And it is a timeless reading, guys. Whenever you hear it is the time you were meant to hear it. And these are the messages for people whose name starts with the alphabets that I've just told you guys. So let's see what are the message for you guys. Let's start the reading. Let's see the first one. Let's see if it forms a story or it's just very different messages for everybody. Activation. So for this group, the alphabets that I've just spoken out loudly, and you want to begin a plan, but you haven't begun with the plan. There is yet time to put the plan into activation. I feel don't put the plan into activation right now. I want to say wait 10 days or 11 days from the day or time a day you hear this reading. So if you're hearing this reading on the 10th, after 10 days, do your math and do your addition. After 10 days or 11 days, start or put your plan into motion, not right now. I think your planning, your groundwork hasn't finished yet, and you still need to do more groundwork, is what I get. So don't put anything into action right now, and put all your energy into the strategy or the plans. I feel the plan is still not complete, and there are still things left. So probably that's why I'm saying don't activate anything right now. Feeling lonely. A lot of you are feeling lonely. A lot of you want to be left alone. That's the channel message I got. I got left alone. That's a stronger message, that you want to be left alone. I know that it's a COVID situation. Everybody's inside, and we are all coming into each other's spaces, and it's becoming too much right now, because I think it's the third month of the lockdown or the fourth month. I think you want to get away. You want people to leave you, and you want to get away from them or somebody, and you want to be on your own, and that's the thinking time. Or also I feel you want to be alone, and you've just told your partner that I want to be alone, let me do my thinking, let me do my rethinking. I feel really, I get those words that I really want to run away. It's like one of you has spoken these words today, or whenever you are going to listen to this reading, would have spoken 2 days back, a month back. But I get a very recently you've said these words that just leave me alone. This card came again. So guys, don't put anything into action right now. You're not ready to put things into action. Even if you do, your plan is incomplete. There is a loophole somewhere. You haven't seen the complete picture. Something is still left. There's work still left to be done. So right now it's not the time, especially to launch something new. You have to wait 10 days or 11 days. Let's see what are the other messages. That card came out twice. Yes, situation is not right. I think to avoid a fight, you don't need to talk, you don't need to activate anything. So don't add fuel to fire is also what I get. I think you need to stay calm right now in the situation, especially a relationship. Also, it could be, you could be dealing with your boss, any family member you're not getting along with, or any friend. I think don't have that talk also. Maybe that's why the card was coming reversed. If you wanted to have a talk with somebody, you said, I want to have a heart to heart or one to one. I want you guys to delay the talk for another 10 days. I'm going to say 10 days, but I get 11 days. So either 10 days or 11 days. I am stressing on the numbers again. Do not have that talk. Let this pass. I want to say let this situation pass. And you know that if you're going to talk, it is going to get activated. It's like a bomb. So maybe that was the channel message twice when I got the card again and again twice. I think it's going to get activated, and if you talk to the person, there is going to be a fight. So it could be anybody, like I said, could be your boss, could be your loved one, could be a family member, anybody you're dealing with. Right now is not the right time. probably you're not going to say the right words, so things are going to get messed up, guys. Instead of getting solved, your things are not going to go the right way. So I want you to avoid that conversation for now. You should not be talking right now to the person. Let's see what is the other message. I get earth magic. I feel earth is going to heal soon. Though it's come reversed, guys, and I think it's a matter of time. That's the that's the channel message or the words that I get in my mind. It is just a little time more left, and earth is going to heal. Earth is going to heal soon, and it's just a matter of time. And that time frame is not too long. It's not about 2 months, 3 months. I think soon, within a month, things are going to be much better. People are going to feel much better. I've been talking to a lot of people right now. A lot of people are depressed because they are at home and they don't know what the future will hold. But guys, I want to say that so much time has passed away. You've been home, you've done a brilliant job, you stayed strong. So just a little bit time more is left, and you can fight with the COVID situation. Nothing's going to happen. All you need to do is be careful, stay positive. I know it's very difficult sometimes to stay positive. It's very easy for me to say, stay positive. So you really have to feel that way. You really have to think that so much time has passed, little bit is left. So you got to be happy. You got to think about the things that are going to come. That's how you got to stay positive. So that's the way I stay positive. Just think about the future, how good it's going to be, how things are going to be different. You're going to meet your friends, you're going to meet your family, your loved ones. You will be meeting people at work. You'll be doing things again that you normally used to do. Going to office. You'll get into a routine, whatever you liked doing. So guys, things are going to be normal again. I just want to say, hang on there. See, I told you, hang on. It's going to be celebration time soon again, guys. Just a matter of time. And you're going to be really happy. You're going to meet everybody. You're going to get together with your friends. Everybody that you haven't been seeing and you've been missing, things are going to be fine. So this is a message, and it's validated by celebration. So don't worry. Stay positive, guys. This is not a time to get depressed. If you get depressed, people around you will get depressed, and being depressed doesn't help in anything. It's just a word. And if the whole thing depresses you, what are you going to do? What are you going to change? Nothing gets changed. Only you will get harmed, because your health, you won't feel nice. Your health will go for a toss. So got to stay positive. No matter what it is, you have to stay positive. It can't be worse than this, what you are. At least you are alive, you're happy, you've got a life. So just remember that, and just think in your mind how good the future will be. That will help you just stay strong and positive in these days. Effortless. Something you're going to do will require hard work. So maybe the talk that you were going to have, don't have it now, because it's not going to be an effortless talk. Things are not going to go effortlessly right now. Right now is not the right time, guys. And that's why I want you to defer your plans or whatever the launch. I want you to defer that talk that you were supposed to have with your loved one. Right now is not the right time. And it's going to turn into a volcano situation. I don't want you guys to be in a situation like that. Let me see what is the other message. Door to spirit. It means 5 days. In 5 days, you'll feel a difference in your life. Things are going to be much brighter, calmer. I also get in 5 days, a lot of people, you will also feel that you have a guardian angel. You will realize that you have a guardian angel. I also get one of you, two of you will also see orbs around you. I also feel you're a light worker. I don't know why I want to say with this group you're a healer. Empath. Those are all the words that I get. I think you practice healing, you practice people, you heal their chakras. That's a big message that I'm getting. And I think you will heal someone also. I'm talking to a healer here. And for 5 days from now, you're going to heal someone is also what I get. And somebody, especially with the heart chakra, not okay. Where the heart chakra wouldn't be okay, you're going to heal someone. Let's see, what is the other card? 7. It's also the door opening to abundance. The previous card that I just pulled out is also a door opening. Something is going to open. Some opportunity is going to come your way, guys. That's what I feel. Things, good things will come your way. Abundance. There'll be abundance in your life. There'll be health. There'll be happiness. You'll feel calmer. You'll feel one with nature. You will also get a plant. I also get, some of you will get a statue, a very like a fountain with water. I also get that you're going to get some kind of a statue, or you're going to buy a statue for your house. That's going to be good for you. The world is yours, waiting to go out in the world. Exactly. I said 11 days. 11 days is the time here, guys. 2 and 9. 2 and 9 is 11. Exactly. I said 11 days. After 11 days, the world will be yours. Right now, it's just the time to assess the situation. So, this card is validating what I was saying. 11 is an important number for you. When I was saying 10 or 11, so I got the message 11 is more important. Whatever you want to launch, if you want to talk to someone, 11 days from whenever you're listening to this. Reading, whenever you chance upon it or whenever you stumble upon this reading, it is you have to add 11 and the world will be yours. This is a waiting time, like almost, this woman or man is just going to take that plunge, is ready for action, but I think the time is not right and the person knows it, and that's why the world is waiting. It will open up, it will come nearer only after 11 days. So guys, there's a 11-day waiting period. Okay, 11 is also a wish number for me. 11 is also about, when you see 11 synchronicities or 11 I see a lot of 11 I see a lot of 2 I see 3 and 2 and 11 is a lot that I see, even 3 so guys, spiritual awakening, raising your vibration, having good thoughts at that time, sending out manifestations, doing manifestations, sending out good intentions out in the universe. So those all are important. I didn't want to take that card. The world will be yours. In 1 year, everything will be fine. So if I also get past year wasn't good. If for 1 year you've been struggling, the coming 1 year will be fantastic for you. Whenever you're reading this card, the coming 1 year will be really good for you. That's the energy I get from here. I also feel a lot of you are feeling low right now. Like, I don't know why I said the word depressed for this group, especially. So you are feeling depressed, you're feeling a little low, not really happy, not really bright as the sun, because this is coming reversed. You guys will be okay, just hang on there. That's the message that I get. Let me see what is another message. Going on a journey, not ready for the journey yet, guys. The reading is though I'm picking up different cards from different decks, but the messages are strong in the same way, they are similar in the same way. Not ready for the journey. You have to delay. You have to delay something to get the best outcome later on. So this is like we say, the hangman, like in the other deck I have. So this is a time, a waiting period, and sometimes delays are good for us only. So there has to be a delay, and that delay is necessary, and it will prove beneficial for you, guys. So this is a time to wait and watch, like I'm saying. Let's see what are the Archangel Gabriel's messages for you. Success will be on its way. That's a nice card. Success is there for you guys. See, can you see the word success big and bold? So prosperity, success, if you wanted, if you had a question in your mind when you were watching this video, or when you were looking for an answer and you did stumble upon my video, and this is success for you guys. So if you thought your venture will do good or not, if your relationship is good or not, if you will conceive or not, if you'll meet the man or woman of your dreams, will my family relationships go okay, will my financial situation will be more stable, anything that you were dreaming of is a big yes. It's a yes, yes, yes. I want to say a yes, yes, a lot of times. So that's fantastic. Great news, guys. Helping children. Wanting to help children, not being able to help children. I don't know why I want to say that. You want to help, but you're not being able to help. I don't know, because it's you wanted to financially support a child. You wanted to do some NGO work, working with kids in some way. I don't know, probably joining a school. You're a teacher. You've been missing your classes. You could be a teacher and you're missing teaching kids right now. So that's also the energy that I get. Or also I get really wanting a child and not conceiving. So I think one of you is really wanting a child and not conceiving. Then success is on its way, like the success card did say so. Share your art with the world. So whatever you're doing, you need to share it. Probably you need to put it on social media, or the other platforms. You need to show your artwork to the world. If you write, whatever creative things that you do, it's time to make money out of it. That's what I get money angle. I get if you have a hobby, turn it into a passion and earn money out of it, and you'll enjoy it also. So do register yourself, or whatever you have to do, sell online. I think you will do a great job. Writers group, join a group. I think a lot of you are writers here. That's what I'm getting this. I'm a writer myself, so join a writers group, and probably you're going to get money from writing also. I feel one of the creative fields that I was just talking about is about writing, and you will make money out of writing. It could be blogs, articles, anything, journals, um, whatever writing, online writing. So you're going to do good. So if you were thinking, should I pursue writing, you should pursue writing. Vision board, yes. Make vision boards. Now's the time to manifest. So your goals, your missions, your vision, anything you want to do, what you want to achieve, how much money do you want, just make a vision board. Keep seeing it before you go to sleep. Put all your emotions in it while you're doing it, and I'm sure you're going to manifest everything soon. I'm going to change the deck now. Let me see what are the other messages. I'm also going to include 3 love messages. From here, I just want to take 2 cards, and that's what I get. Communication is on its way. I told you, don't communicate right now. This has come reversed. This is not the time to communicate, guys. Especially if you're a Gemini or if you're dealing with a Gemini. I also get a Taurian. If you're a Taurian and if you are dealing with a Taurian, it is not the time to talk to the other person. The other person is closed, not ready to listen to you. And if you talk to that person, the whole conversation will go another way. It will not go how you intended it to go in a way, or be it will really go into a different direction, and you will not be able to control that, and things are not going to turn out right. One more card from here, guys. Look at the bigger picture. So yes, you have to stall your plans right now, not talk right now. You have to look at the bigger picture. November is a fantastic time for you guys, for all the alphabets I was talking about. Something good is going to happen in November. Also, I feel you're dealing with a Sagittarius, and if you're dealing with a Sagittarius, you're not looking at the bigger picture. I don't know what the whole situation is like, because this is a general reading, and there are a lot of you, many of you, and your situations are going to be different. So if you're dealing with a Sagittarian, don't pay attention to the little things they do for you. It is something about a big picture, missing the big picture, some kind of a message which fits there, in your life. So you have to listen closely to what I'm saying, and you have to understand that something where you don't have to miss the bigger picture is very important for you. Individuality. So here are your love messages. Can you see individuality? You love the fact that the other person is unique, is different, is not like you love those things about that person, and I think you know that the other person balances you very well. That's why the individuality card. And you love to celebrate those differences. I think there was something on the card. You love to celebrate those differences, and you know the other person is different, and that's what you love about the other person. So the other person is not, doesn't like the things you like. Like I always say, one is North Pole, one is South Pole, but you love those facts about the other person, and you always treat the other person like an individual. You don't control the situation, you don't control your relationship. 2 more. Patience. Guys, if you're in a love relationship, if you're in a relationship, you need patience with the loved one. This is the time for not really attacking the other person. Like I said, if you have a problem, you will have to have more patience, more tolerance, and probably if you have to have a chat with the other person, the loved one, you need to wait right now. I know you really want to talk to the other one and clear whatever misunderstandings you've had with the other person, but now is not the time, guys. Like I said, wait 11 days. I get a big 11. Okay, let's see what is the last card. Patience came again. Patience is very important for you guys. I think if you don't keep patience, it could also be a business job, any situation. If you don't have patience, you're going to spoil things, guys. Just be patient, because this guy, I'm saying this card has come twice, guys. You have to be patient. Maybe I'm talking to a woman, and you have to be patient with your guy. So that's a big message. So let me see what alphabets are good for you. Like I normally say, they will form a word. They might form a word. Let's see what's good for you. I'm going to take 3 out. K, N, and U. K, N, and U. They're not really forming a word. Usually they do. So it's N, K, and U are good for you. Yeah. Let's see what colors or what crystal or what charm. Let's see what's good for you. I'm going to say light blue. I want to say black also. Somehow for you guys, this black is good. And I really wanted seahorse is good for you. So draw a seahorse. I don't know if you're going to get attracted to a seahorse. I also feel that you just drawn a seahorse, or you thought about a seahorse. I don't know why I'm saying that. So those were the messages, guys. Thanks a lot for listening with all your patience and giving time to this reading. Thank you so much. Do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, do leave a comment below. I always read the comments, and I'll be back with another reading. I want to give one more message. I think last reading I also didn't close the reading because I thought my reading is not complete. I still feel my reading is not complete. There is one message Archangel Gabriel has to give you, and I want to say that. I want to say what it is. Keep going. So this is reversed, guys. Don't keep going. That's what it says. Exactly. So right now is a period of waiting. It's a time of waiting. Wait and watch. Keep going doesn't mean abandon your plans, remember that. But whatever was important to you right now is not the time to launch it. I'm saying it again. It's not the time to put it to action. It's not the time to have the chat with your loved one. You have to show patience and wait. That's the time the things are going to be okay. Maybe that's why I didn't close the reading and I had to do this one card. So thank you so much, guys. I'm going to say good night right now. This is the end of the reading now. So take care. Bye. Bye. Good night.